Let's review some of the angles that we've been talking about the last few days. Vertical angles are created when two lines intersect. The opposite angles are the vertical angles. So angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical, and angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical. Vertical angles are always congruent. So angle 2 and angle 4 are congruent to each other, and angle 1 and angle 3 are congruent to each other. Again, they're created from two lines. Linear pairs are a pair of angles that forms a line. So if we took the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 2, note that they form the line. So the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 are 180 degrees. Linear pairs are adjacent in that they share a ray, and supplementary in that they form 180 degrees. So 1 and 2 are a linear pair, 2 and 3 are a linear pair, 3 and 4 are a linear pair, and 4 and 1 are a linear pair. Linear pairs are always supplementary. Okay, so now let's look at when we have two lines cut by a transversal. Now, over here we could say that we had congruent angles and supplementary angles. Unless we have parallel lines, we can't talk about their measures. We can only talk about their measures when the two lines are parallel. So right now we're only talking about how we're naming these angles. So let's go over here. Alternate interior angles. Alternate has to do with which side of the transversal they're on. So alternating means they're on alternate sides of the transversal. Interior says they're between the lines. They're in the interior here. So alternate interior angles are alternating sides interior of the two lines. So we would have angle 7 and angle 10 are alternate interior angles, and angle 9 and angle 8 are alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles, again, they're alternating sides of the transversal, but this time they're exterior to the two lines. So what we have here is angle 5 and angle 12 are alternate exterior angles, and angle 11 and angle 6 are alternate exterior angles. Same side interior angles. This time our angles are going to be on the same side of the transversal and interior between the two lines. So same side of the transversal, interior of the two lines. So angle 7 and angle 9, angle 8 and angle 10. Same side exterior angles. They're same side of the transversal, but exterior to the two lines. So angle 5 and angle 11 are same side exterior, and angle 6 and angle 12 are same side exterior angles. Corresponding angles I like to show by doing a drawing here. I trace the lines, the two lines, and the transversal, and then I labeled my angles. Now I offset them a little bit because I want them to be able to show when I slide down the transversal. So I've got angle 5 marked, and angle 7 marked, angle 6 marked, and angle 8 marked. Now corresponding angles are in the same relative position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to slide it down the transversal. And notice when I get to the other line, 5 and 9 are in the same relative position to each other. Angle 7 and 11 are in the same relative position. Angle 10 and angle 6, and angle 12 and angle 8. So my corresponding angles are angle 5 and angle 9 are corresponding angles. Angle 7 and angle 11 are corresponding angles. Angle 10 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. And angle 12 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. Next video we will practice with our homework. Thank you.